This channel is part of the Nick Tyrrell Network. Sit back, relax and enjoy your featured presentation. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to another video right here on the channel. So today we are taking a look at part 2 of 1984. Okay, so as always, grab a brew, kick back and let's go down memory lane. Welcome back up guys. 1984, one of my favourite years in Spectrum times. Always lovely to see Sabrewulf in there. That is like one of my all-time favourite games, even though I've never completed it. A little bit of Cockatini Wilf, maybe a little bit of unpopular choice there. I know like a few people weren't big fans. It was like frustrating as hell. But to be honest, weren't most of those games back there. Nice to see TLL as well. That used to like torment. In fact, it still does torment the hell out of me when I do actually put it on. Doom Dark Revenge. Yeah, do you know what I mean? You guys are seeing all the footage there. Leave me a comment. Let me know, are you enjoying the series? I've had a little bit of feedback with people saying that they don't enjoy the black and white kind of retro thing, but that is a creative decision, and it basically just shows the age of the games and stuff like that. So to the folks there, if you are still watching the series, one, I thank you. Two, please understand, as a creator, it's a creative choice. Leave your comments below, guys. Did you watch part 1 of 1984? Overall thoughts of the quality of the software in 1984, and tell me your favourite game that was on the video. I'll be back next month for more Spectrum goodness. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Nick Terrell network today.